Hey guys, it's me Jicha and you're most welcome to this Google Ads on Air universe. And today in this video I am going to set up a tracking for an e-commerce site. So let's start the video. At first we are going to our website and this is a women's clothing site, and then we are going to our Google Ads account, and then at first we are going to set up a view item tag. So we are going to our goals, then conversion summary, and then create new conversion action. After that, conversion on a website is okay for us. Then we are going to set up a page purchase page view tag, then set up manually, then edit settings. This will be a secondary action. Set up every count, then save and continue. After that, finish, and then we are going to our page view and then Google Tag Manager. This is our conversion ID. Then we need to go to our Google Tag Manager and then create a new tag, and then Google Ads conversion tracking. Then we need to paste our conversion ID and then conversion level, and then it will be a all page view tag. So we triggered all page and then all page view Google Ads, then click the save button, and we are also creating a new view item tag. This is the variable view item. So let's start a new tag, and then we named it vi view item tag, and also for Google Ads ZX will be better, and then Google Ads conversion tracking, and then we are copy paste the same page view conversion ID and conversion level. After that, we are creating a new trigger. It will be a custom event, and the custom event will be view item. After that, we named it view item trigger, then save. Then it is okay, and it is also finished. After that, we are going to create a add to cart. So let's start create a new conversion tracking, and then we are conversion on a website, save and continue, and then we need to select add to cart, then set up manually. Conversion settings will be primary, and add to cart we can name our company Draupadi, then every count, and then click done, save and continue, and then finish. After that, we need to go to the add to cart conversion and then set up and select Google Tag Manager. After that, we need that conversion ID, new tag, go, let's conversion tracking and conversion ID and conversion level. After that, we need to trigger this event, and we are creating a new trigger and then custom event, and we need to copy that code from our website. So yeah, there we can find add to cart event and add to cart trigger. After that, we need to name the trigger on add to cart tag Google Ads, and then click save. And after that, we need to create a begin checkout conversion tracking, and we are doing the same. There is begin checkout, we are setting manually, and then it is our secondary action, and begin checkout with the name Draupadi. After we can click done and then save and continue and click finish. Then we are go to our begin checkout tag and select Google Tag Manager. Here is our conversion ID. Then we need to go to our Google Tag Manager and click new tag and Google Ads conversion tracking, and we need to paste our conversion ID and Google Ads conversion level. After that, we need to set up a new trigger for it, and it will also be a custom event, and then it will be begin checkout view cart and then proceed to checkout. In our preview mode, we can find a begin checkout there, and this will be our trigger code. We paste it there and then also there. Then we can click save. After that, we need to name our tag begin checkout tag, then GATS Google Ads, then save. Yeah, we can now we need to set up a purchase tag, and actually I created the purchase conversion ID before, so we can copy paste the tag from there. I also created a tag in our GTM purchase tag Draupadi. We can copy paste our conversion ID there, purchase tag Google Ads Draupadi. Whoosh. After that, we need to trigger this, and we can cut this trigger and create a new trigger from purchase custom event, and then let's order to, yeah, there will be a purchase event, and then there will be the purchase then save. We also need to integrate this conversion value, transaction ID and country code. So we can find it on data layer, and there we can find it there. So we need to create variables for this. We need to create new variable, and it will be data layer variable, and then value will be eCommerce. You can paste it there. eCommerce dot currency variable. We can add TLV for data layer variable, and then we can save it. After that, we need to create also a new data layer variable, and then we need to copy eCommerce dot transaction ID. Then the name will be DV or order ID. After that, we can save it, and then we need to create also a data layer variable, and it will be value. So we need to copy eCommerce and then add a dot and then value. DLV save. After that, we need to go to our purchase tag, which this, and then we need to add conversion value, and then order value, transaction ID. We need to select order ID, and currency code will be currency, and we can save it, and our purchase tag is done. And after that, we need to create a new tag, Google Ads user provided data tag, and also before that we need to track user data, so we need to create some variables. So let's create the variables, new variable and data layer variable, and the variable will be there customer first name. And then save, and then we need to create also a data layer variable, and then it will be last name, and then click save. And after that we also need a data variable, and we need data variable name address and tlvatt, and then save. After that we need to create also a new data layer variable, and we need to copy customer billing city, and then dlv city. We also need a data layer variable, and it will be billing state, and then dlv state, then we also need a data layer variable and postcode, customer billing postcode, and then dlv zip, and then save. And after that we also need three variable, customer billing country, then dlv country, and then save. After that we need to create a email data layer variable, and this will be their customer billing email. Then we need to name dlv email, then save. And our last custom data layer variable will be customer billing phone, and we can name it data layer variable phone. Yeah, now we can create the tag, create a new tag, configure Google Ads user provided data, and then we need to copy paste our conversion ID, then set up a new variable, and then we need to add their mail, then phone. After that first name, then surname or the last name, street, address, city will be city, then region will be state, and country will be country, and postcode. Zip code. After that we can save it with user provided data, and then we need to set up the trigger, and it will be a purchase trigger, and we can save it with the name Google Ads user provided data event and then save. Yeah, we are done, and we can submit this, and we can name it Google Ads conversion tracking, and then publish it. After that, we can leave it, and then we can preview this site, then connect our website, then continue. The Google tag conversion linker and all page tag fired already, and we can click on a product so that view item tag fired, and then we can click add to cart, and then the add to cart tag fired, and then we can click view cart and click proceed checkout. Yeah, the begin checkout tag fired. After that, we can click purchase order, place order. Purchase tag fired with our Google Ads user provided data event. So the conversion tracking is all done, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.